The hyoid bone, the body's only floating bone. The hyoid bone is a unique structure in the human body. Unlike all other bones, it doesn't directly connect to any other bone. Instead, it's anchored in place by muscles and ligaments. Location and structure. The hyoid bone is horseshoe-shaped and is located in the anterior neck, between the chin and the thyroid cartilage. It has several parts: the body, which is the central part, the greater horns that extend backward and laterally, and the lesser horns that project upward from the body. Function. The hyoid bone plays a crucial role in swallowing, as it supports the tongue and helps move food down the throat. It also aids in speech by providing a base for the tongue and muscles involved in speech. Additionally, it supports the larynx or voice box, which is important for breathing. Interesting facts. It's often referred to as the floating bone due to its unique attachment. Injuries to the hyoid bone can be serious and often occur in strangulation cases.